Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing very easy method to make band collar for any size. So let's get started. I have cut the bodies and I have joined shoulder slope on both sides, and I have also finished the neckline, only this V cut using facing from the same fabric. Now I'll cut the collar, and for that firstly I'll measure the required length. Keep the measuring tape on the one edge of the neckline and start measuring around in the neckline shape, like this. So this is 17.25 inch. Similarly measure your neckline, it could be more or less. Just note the measurement as collar length. Now I'll explain collar cutting on the piece of fabric, as marking will be more clearly visible than on buckram. Fold the fabric by half in width. From the unfold side, mark half of collar length. So mine is 17.25 inch. Just fold the measuring tape by half like this. Now I'll mark the measurement. Now mark neck width point. It's 3 inch in my measurement. This will be back part and this is front. From this point, mark 1.25 inch upwards and join it to the neck width point with a slight curve like this. Now this will be the baseline. Measure the curve again. Mark the collar length if there is any difference. Now I'll mark collar width. I'm keeping it 1 inch. You can take more wide if you want to. Join these points. Here you can join them straight or you can give them slight curve. So this is a marking for band. Now I'll cut it. And similarly I'll cut the same on the buckram or fusing. I have cut the band on the buckram. Now take a piece of fabric, place the band and make a basting stitch in the center to secure it. We'll remove this stitch later on. Now fold the fabric on the bottom side and make a straight stitch. Trim the excess fabric. Now fold it like this. Make a stitch in the band shape beside it and not on the buckram. So I made a stitch. Now I'll keep 0.25 inch of seam allowance and I'll trim excess fabric. Make small cuts all around the band. Now turn around the bukram. So band collar is ready. Now I'll attach it with the bodice. Make slant cut on the shoulder slope. This will allow band collar to turn around easily. Take wrong side of bodice. Join band on either side of neckline and start stitching. So I've attached the collar. Now turn it around on the right side. Insert the seam allowance into the buckram and make a top stitch. I'll start stitching from the shoulder as we start with back and forth stitch to secure the thread, and it won't look nicer on the starting edge of the neckline. So band collar is ready. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.